Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a Connex 3300 HP. We're doing this for Dewey in North Carolina. He asked us to put these blue nitro or Starlight Knobs, that's what they're called. Used to be called nitro knobs. Okay, so that's all we got on there. Radio's in a low power. Let's take a look at it up here. We've got 10 watts on the top scale. On the top scale. There's low power and there's high power. Peak power went in low. Got the middle scale there. Audio. Okay. I'm going to put it in high. Again on the middle scale. Audio. Okay, so about 30 and 50. There's your